Happy World Cocktail Day. I'm Hamish from Reed Co Distillery here in Bright, Victoria. So today I'm going to give you a run through one of our cocktails on the list here, which is a European Handshake. Just released is our 2020 Mistel. It's possibly the best thing that's happened in 2020. So Mistel being fortified grape juice, we use two grapes here that are both local from this region, which is the Tempranillo and the Friuliano grape juice. Fortify it with a grape spirit, and then we get a bouquet of botanicals that we put over the top of it, and that's just to bring in some bitter agents, give it a bit more character. Today we're mixing that with Campari. Let's get started. So we're just going to pre-chill a glass. Now it's really simple. So when you're looking for Mistel, just jump onto our website. It's about 40 bucks a bottle, so pretty good buy. We're going to go 45 mils of that one. Mistel into there. And then 15 mils of the Campari. Okay, so this is a stirred down drink. What we're looking for here is about 15% dilution rate. So we're going to achieve that by doing the stir down. So it just takes a little while. It's also going to pre-chill the beverage as well. So this year, we're really happy with how the Mistel turned out actually. It's been a smoke-tainted vintage. We had to make sure we didn't know there was no fermentation at all to release those bound-up smoke particles. So we've really focused on catching the real freshness of the grapes. So once we've stirred that down, it's getting close now. Tip that out. I was using a strainer. And then just for the garnish, we're simply going to use some orange zest. And that goes really well with all these oils that are already in there from the citrus that we've used in the botanical profile. So now we're just going to give it a squeeze. And then here we are, European Handshake by Reed Co Distillery using the 2020 Mistel. Cheers. So being a distiller here at Reed Co, I'm far from being a bartender. So that being said, we're going to bring in Adam Eaton, who runs our bar here and our cocktail program, and he can show you how to make a real shaken cocktail.
Hi everyone, happy World Cocktail Day. So today I'm going to make one of my favourite cocktails, also a very popular cocktail at Reed Co Distillery. It will be a shaken cocktail and it's called the Aviation. Okay, so first off, got my coupe glass. I'm going to place some ice in there so it's nice and chilled by the time we're ready to serve. So the Aviation, it is a citrusy based cocktail, heavy on the gin. We also do have some Luxardo maraschino through here. And we have some violet liqueur. This one we use is from France. This will give it its nice kind of bluish color. And we also use a little bit of sugar syrup through there as well. Okay, so to begin with, we'll start off with 22.5 mils of fresh lemon juice. And so what I have done and prepared a bit earlier is the mix of the Luxardo maraschino, the violet and the sugar. Equal parts to all of those, and I will do 22.5 mils of this purple mix. And last but not least will be the Remedy Australian dry gin, which we use here at Reed Co for a lot of different classic cocktails. It's, you know, Australian influence is coming from its blend of botanicals. It's very versatile as a dry gin. We use it for martinis, Negronis, a lot of different classic cocktails, and works perfectly for this Aviation. So it is quite heavy on the gin here. We do 60 mils. Okay, so this is what we have here for the Aviation. It's all in a large tin, so I'm going to fill this small tin up with ice. So the Aviation won't be served on ice, so we're going to make sure that we do dilute it enough and also do have it chilled enough as well, because it won't keep having that further dilution, or it won't lower its temperature anymore either. Okay. We'll discard the ice. And then we'll strain. And to garnish the Aviation, we use special cherry, which we get imported from Italy, Luxardo maraschino cherry. We just place that in the middle there. Fantastic. And here we are, the Aviation at Reed Co. Thanks everyone for joining there. I hope everyone's having a fun World Cocktail Day and mixing up something special at home. Hopefully we'll be able to see you soon at Reed Co Distillery, where I'll get to serve you myself. Until then, we also do have, at the moment, a few bottled cocktails, which I have put together. So I've done the hard work for you so you could enjoy these at home. We have a lot of different ones at the moment. We have martinis, we have a Nightwalker, which is like a gin-based espresso martini riff. We have Negronis, even some clarified cocktails with an Aviation variation as well. And hopefully we'll see you all in the high country soon.